Welcome to my channel. See how I'm a mechanic.
All right, for those with the dust joining and it has a leak, water leak all the way back there, right on top of the manifold. This is why you're gonna have a leak, because there is a joint. There's a joint, and they made it out of plastic. That join this line together with this other line over here. So this one goes to the block. This one comes to the reservoir. They both go around, they make that loop, and they meet all the way down there. Now to fix that, if you keep buying this plastic adapter that they sell for it, you're gonna end up having the same problem, because the heat, the exhaust is right there, there's too much heat. It's gonna melt it, and then it's just gonna start leaking, and then it's just gonna pop off, and that's it. You're gonna have to tow your car. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna find yourself, so I got this off a line, this is a transmission line. I just cut one end off. This is about 1/4 inch, maybe a little bit more, a little bit thicker than a quarter, yeah. Might be 3/8. So you're gonna stick that in here. The other end, you're gonna sand it a little bit, make it rough, so when you put your clamp on the other side, it won't slide. Anyways, it's not gonna have a lot of pressure, but still, you wanna be safe. So you're gonna stick this in here. Might need two hands on these, but that's the idea. I'm gonna stick it in here. Let's see, 1 second. Let's see. Right there. So I got that end in. Now I'll bring this all the way back there again. Gotta go from the bottom. Now the only thing is, on this, on the other end, you cannot use this clamp. So you're gonna have to get yourself one of those adjustable. You're gonna have to get yourself one of these, one that you can tighten yourself. So I'm gonna take the clamp off, put my other clamp in here, and then push that hose back there and join it together. And that's gonna be a permanent fix. It's not gonna start leaking from there anymore. Yes. Get one of these. All right, so here we are in the back of the engine. So you see that exhaust, right, the muffler right there where the O2 sensor is. So this line, they run it right above that sensor, and they decide to put the joint right in the center, which is not the smartest way. So let me go ahead and fix that, and then I'll show you. All right, so that's how it looked finished. So it has a little zip tie attached to the bracket, and then it has another one on the other bracket as well. But there you have it. You can't even tell there's a joint there. So, and remember, now it's not plastic anymore, it's copper. I'll give you the side on that copper right now. Let me pull this, push it back on the clamp right there. Right there. There you go. All right, now we're good. Beautiful. So it's 3/8. 3/8. Don't forget to get a bottle of water, punch a hole, and rinse it down on the exhaust right there so you don't get that smell. Because you don't want to put no brake cleaner there, so, and you don't want to leave it dirty either. When you start it up, it's gonna smoke, it's gonna smell bad. So just get water, rinse it down, and you're good to go. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.